Well, how the hell's that for a bit of excitement? Just getting onto the road nicely. Well, how's that for a bit of excitement? We had a puncture. So the first sign of something going funny was the bike was swaying a bit. So that's a bit funny. It like does it sways. You know, it's not steady on the road. So I started going slower. You know, swaying. What the hell? Stopped. Checked the front tire first. Seemed fine, and the back tire was like pretty flat. So that was my first experience at having to repair a puncture, and we had 3 points of failure. One, because I didn't fix my auxiliary power issue I've had since Joburg. When I fitted those strobe lights as warning lights at the back, some connection came off, so none of my auxiliaries work. My spots don't work, and of course that 12 volt thing in the front also doesn't work. And I kind of said, I'll fix it sometime. Well, I should have of course addressed it in Gabs or wherever I was sitting for a while, because now my compressor didn't work. So I did my first ever sort of repair of a tubeless tire, reamed it, got the plug in, and then my compressor didn't work, and then I realized, oh my god, I got no auxiliary power. So of course you could boermaak a plan and push it onto your battery, which I did, you know. And then I said, well, I got the bombs, and then the bomb didn't work, which I did say in my other video. So that's like I don't know, I've got zero idea. I need to go and see a new one at a shop and try and understand why the bomb was not getting pierced by the thing that you screwed into. And I've used that exact kit before, so I know it works. So I don't know, something's fallen off, something dropped out, something that was meant to be there isn't there. So I've got a feeling there's like a pin of sorts inside there, and as you screw it, it tightens it, and all the shaking and rattling and rolling or whatever, it's fallen out. So I mean, I looked quite carefully in the kit, you know, did it fall out somewhere here, and I couldn't see anything. So, you know, no compressor, no gas bombs. I thought, oh my fuck. Okay, I suppose the third thing would have been to cut the wires with a compressor and attach it to the battery directly. That I could have done. And then Udo, I heard a car stopping behind me. Udo stopped on his nice Toyota 4x4 and said, can I help? And I said, well, actually you can, because I've got 2 points of failure and I don't know how to pump my tire. I said, no problem, I got a compressor. And then we chatted for ages. So that was the reason why I'm quite convinced that's the reason I had the puncture, so Udo could meet me, because there's lots of linkages with, in fact, the other Namibian partner I've got, who's doing a very high-tech Lego block building system made out of polymer. Blah de blah. Anyway, so I'm back on the road. I'm doing 100. The bike's feeling fine. Rear both is maybe 30 k's away. I mean, the pressure stayed constant after we pumped it up. It's 275. Checked it again later, checked it now, sitting at 275, so we'll just confirm everything's right at Rehoboth. And you know, may the angels look after her, because I just need to get to Cape Town, where I'll put the new tyre on. It's Rehoboth 30. See you later.